Let's unbox a vintage Coach bag from the year 2000. So this is the Legacy East-West Compartment bag. As you can see, it comes with the original box, tissue paper, and this little Coach booklet with some information on the brand, as well as the original registration card. So it was really nicely preserved over the years. So this is a really nice shoulder bag, and it comes with an adjustable strap, so you can adjust the strap lengths on both sides of the strap, which is really nice. It comes with the matching two-sided hang tag, so it says Coach on both sides. And it's gotten two nice pockets here on the top of the bag, on the exterior part of the bag, and then it's also got an interior zip pocket. And as you can see, it's got a zip top closure. It's got a lot of tissue paper still on the inside, but here's where the zip pocket is located on the inside. And the creed is also stamped on that back pocket, so I'll insert a photo real fast so you can see that as well. And then here's a quick 360 look at the bag again. Here's the front, the sides, here's the bottom of the bag, and then the front and back are pretty much identical, so here's the other side as well. And the top again, where these two pretty large slip pockets are on both sides of the bag. So that is the beautiful Legacy East-West Compartment bag, and this bag is available now in our online store, so I will leave the link below in case you wanted to check it out further. But otherwise, thanks for watching and take care.